Good morning, students. In our previous class, we had discussed about the types of set. In there, we had discussed the finite set, infinite set, singleton set, equal set and equivalent set. Now today we have discussed the remaining sets. First one is empty set. Empty set, or you can say that null set. Okay. Empty set or null set means where a set having no any elements at all is called an empty set or null set, or it is also known as void set, and it is denoted by this symbol. This is denoted by this symbol and within the second bracket. This is pronounced as phi. Okay, this is pronounced as phi, but it is denoted by this symbol. That means no elements in the set. Suppose take an example. It is given that x such that x belongs to n where 2 less than x less than 3. That means the number which is between 2 and 3. That means there is a no set. So we can write answer is null set. Solution is null set. Got it? Now, next set is subset. Okay. Next set is subset. Subset is what? If A and B are two sets such that every element of A is in B, then we say that A is a subset of B, and we write A is the subset of B. This symbol, the vertical U and a marked line. Okay. Now, if A belongs to B, or you can say that A is a subset of B, then we say that B is a superset. A is the subset of B, so you can say that B is the superset. It means A is subset of B. That means B is superset of A. And we also can write is B. This is the symbol of this. This meanings and this meanings are same. Okay. Now, if take an example, let given that A equals to 61, 67, 71, 73, 79. B is given 61, 67, 71, 73, 79 and 83. See, all the elements of A are present in B. So we can say that A is the subset of B. Hence, B is the superset of A. Got it? Now, next one is power set. Power set of a set. Power set of a set is what? First we discuss the number of subset of a set, then we can discuss the power set of a set. Number of subset of a set is what? First we rub the board. given number of subset of a set, right? That means what? If a set has n elements, then it will have 2 to the power n subset. Means what? Take the example, then you can clearly understand. See, if A is given 1 and 2, that means how many elements are there? It is 2. So, how many possible subset it will be made? It is 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power n means 2 to the power 2. That means 4. How? You can write is, how you write? All possible subset of set A are, first one is 1, next is 2, third one is 1 comma 2, and fourth one is null set. This is your required answer. Okay, how many elements, how many possible subset are there? Individual 1, individual 2, both are together and empty set. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means if it is given, suppose take another example, take given A comma B comma C, right? All possible subset of set B are what? First is individual A, then B. See, there is 3 animals are there. 3 to the power n means 3 to the power 3. That means it will be 9. It will be 9 set will be made. Right? See? Sorry. 2 to the power n. Formula is 2 to the power n. That means 2 to the power 3. That means 8. Okay. 2 to the power n is the formula. So how many elements are there? 3. So 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 8. So all possible subset are 8. A, B, C. 3. Now next is A comma B. Next is A comma C. Next is B comma C. Next is A comma B comma C. So how many elements are already done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And last one is null set. Got it? Okay. Here 2 to the power n is the formula. The formula 2, elements are 2, so it is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here elements are 3, formula is 2 to the power n, that means 2 to the power 3, that means 8. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Now power set of a set. Power set of a set. See, the set of all possible subset of a set is called its power set. That means if A is given A, then power of set equals to also what? A comma 5, and it will be always individual. Okay, and both are right in the same bracket. Take another one. B equals to suppose A comma B. So number of subset, possible subset will be what? 2 elements are there, 2 to the power n. That means 2 to the power 2, 4. We can write. So then power of set is what? I can write it here only because there is a space problem. P, B will be to B. Then P equals to what? In individual A, comma individual B, together A comma B, then null set. Then bracket close. Got it? Now, next is universal set. Universal set means what? This is the set which contains all the given set as its subset and it is denoted by U, capital U, universal set. Universal set. Take example, A equals to given 1, 3 and B equals to given 1, 3, 4. C equals to given 1, 3, 5, 6. Therefore, universal set means all the elements of the all subsets. Say, how many elements are there? 1, 3, both are given in the B and C. Then take 4 is only present in B, so take 4, then 5 and then 6. So all the elements individually present A, B and C. That means the set which contains all the given sets, this sets A, B, C, all the numbers you take all in it together, it is universal set. Okay, and the only remaining part of this is cardinal number of set. Cardinal number is very easy. Cardinal number of a set. Cardinal number set means what? If suppose it is given 1, 4, 9, 16. Suppose. How many elements are there? 4. That means cardinal number is denoted by small a and the set name A. So you can write here A and you can write 4. If it is given P equals to X, Y, Z. Right. So cardinal number N of B equals to what? 1, 2, 3. So 3. This is the cardinal number. So we can already discuss all the types of sets and how to write the sets in 3 methods, that is rule method, description method and roster method. Now you can just try to do the exercise 2 and tomorrow I will do the exercise 2. Okay, discuss the exercise 2. Hopefully you all get your syllabus, unit test syllabus, just prepare for it. And how the exam will be conducted, all the instruction you can get in your Teams app. Okay. Don't worry. All the best. Thank you.